I have here two so-called Carpenter relays. These were named after a R.E.H. Carpenter, who patented these in the late 1940s and early 1950s. They were intended for a high-speed, low-current, compact type of relay. And these two examples were made by the telephone manufacturing company in Great Britain. I'll show inside them. This is the large one, and you can see the relay contacts here. They move only a very small distance, and you can see it's a very high precision type of mechanism. It's very beautifully made. Now we'll look inside the smaller version. This one has a date stamp on it of 1962. Again, it's a beautifully made high precision mechanism. Thank you for watching.